Alright guys, we're gonna do a quick unboxing today. This is the MUC-OFF pressure washer, and I bought this basically for my motorcycle. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You guys can check it online. They have it also at Motor World or Motor Market. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. So MUC-OFF is pink, obviously. So let's go ahead and take that out. If I can take it. Alright, here we go. Okay, so now we have the box itself. It says additional contents. That's basically it. So this is what it looks like. Box. Got different nozzles on it, the spray itself, and let's go ahead and open it. Alright, I don't know how to open it. I guess we're gonna break it. Oh, here we go. Alright, so what's inside the box? What's inside the box? We have a couple of towels. Alright, let's go ahead and put this down. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. What's inside the box? We have towel, microfiber. It says MUC-OFF on it. Alright, so we got 2 towels. What else do we have here? We have I guess the foam. Yep. So there's a bottle of foam for it when you used to foam the motorcycle or car. You have this is the feeder. So you put this inside, then you spray it out, foam it. What else do we have here? We have Bike Protect. So after you wash it, when it's all dried up, you guys can use this so that way the dirt doesn't stick so much. And what else do we have? We have another cleaner, a concentrated cleaner. So I guess you can mix this with water, I'm guessing, because it's concentrated. Again, foam. We have the device itself and lug. Go ahead and open this up. There you go. It's very. You're looking for a washer that's eye-catching. This is it. It's pink. So that's pretty cool. What else do we have? We have the trigger. Oh, it has a lock. I don't know if you can see it. It has a lock. So lock it and spray it. Quick release. Pretty good. That's where you put your cord here. And what else do we have? Alright, we have the hose itself. So you lock it in. That's what it is. Quick release. Super easy. I don't know where you put this, but okay. What else do we have? We have this. I don't know what this is or what it's for. So I mean, you guys can read the manual, but I'm a guy who barely read anything. So we have the handle, I guess. I don't know where to put this. We'll figure it out. Oh, here. Okay, got it. I don't know. Alright, later. So we have the nozzles, so different sprays. Yeah, you can dial it. Alright, cool. This one says bicycle on it. So bicycle. See it? So I guess so it's not too hard if you're washing car or your bike. Oh, there's another one. This is the one we're going to be using for the test. This is motorcycle. So you can see there. And what else do we have? Guess we have. Oh, this goes to the back. I know this. This goes to the filter. Goes to the back. Wait. Oh, you remove it. Here's the cap. So remove it. Alright. See? No manual needed. Alright. What else do we have? Oh, there's another one. What the heck? This one is. Oh, this one doesn't have anything because this goes right here. Oh. There you go. Right, and then you connect the nozzles. Here.
A few moments later.
Yeah, there you go. Alright. That's settled. What else do we have? There is. Oh, okay. I get it. So this one goes to. I don't know what this is for, but this goes, I am guessing, here. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So that goes there. I saw this one. Put it here. Pretty cool. So it's not messy. Alright. And then this one is for the hose itself. So what? Oh, wait. I think this goes here. Yeah. Okay. So my bad. So there you go. Perfect. This one doesn't have anything that you can place it on. So alright, that's it. What else do we have? We have a bag. That's pretty cool. Storage. So I guess if you want to carry it, if you're traveling, it's pretty big, guys. Pretty big. So you can fit all of this stuff, I bet. Yep. That's it. So you can put your phone here. See, there's pockets everywhere. Here too. There's something here as well. So pretty good stuff, guys. So what we'll do is we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna assemble it and we're gonna wash the bike. And it's not dirty yet, so in a couple days we'll do another review of this and let you guys can see if it's worth it, if it's not. To me, it is worth it instead of buying some pressure washers. It's pretty cheap because sometimes it breaks or it doesn't work. And also MUC-OFF has been in this industry for a very long time. And when it comes to cleaning motorcycle bikes, you know, they're one of the top dogs out there. So I guess that's it. There's nothing else in the box. There's some screws and pin that I don't know what the use is for. I guess you guys can just read the manual if you decide to buy one of these. So that's it, guys. Quick unboxing. MUC-OFF will do a test in a couple of days. Like I said, my bike's pretty clean still. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.